Okay. Okay, good morning, everybody. Early morning, Sunday. Getting ready for the upcoming week. I mean, we got a lot going on this week. Let's just dive into it and see what's going on. So, as you guys see, got all these crazy lines on SPY. What I like doing sometimes, right, is just basically going to a clean chart where I just focus on price action only, right? So now what we see happening here is things are widening up. We have a trend happening here, right? Let me duplicate this. And we have a trend going on here. Why won't, please allow me to do it. Okay, awesome. So we have like a opening happening here, right? So just a general understanding of what's going on in the market, right? Uh, I think a lot of the market was waiting on the stimulus news. As soon as the stimulus was passed, we got a strong rebound. Now, if we take the last, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the past 5 trading days, right? From March 1st to March 5th. So what happened last week? Let's just take a look day by day. We got a very bullish day on Monday, then a bloody red week, right? A lot of the stocks pushed down. But what I'm seeing here is a lot of bullish sentiment happening here. So if you guys take a look here, buyers are being very aggressive right around this 378, 376, which means they're finding value. They're like, if SPY reaches this area, I feel comfortable buying. I don't mind buying. Right? And on this last candle where we tried to make new lows, we completely flipped the script and we're very bullish right now. Right? So what are we expecting for the upcoming week? A rebound. This is not that hard to miss. So before I move on, so this is my clean chart, right? I understand the direction. It's still channeling upward, but now with a wider range, right? So boom, we have a range from 380 to 400, right? So we have a $20 range now. And yeah, I could see this going even higher. Let's just see what happens. And hop into the other time frame or time frame. Other time frames and the chart. So since we've seen that, right? Uh, what I'm going to do here is just clean up the chart a little bit. Uh, and remove. Yes. Awesome. Remove. Okay. Now we got some clear levels here, right? And since we adjusted our our trend active, let me get this side, boom, and boom. So we have a better understanding of what's going on. The trend's holding perfectly, right? Now what we've seen is a nice pullback towards the trend, a lot of volume, right? We still have a lot of volume. So there's a lot of commitment here. I wouldn't be surprised if we made a push above 385 and potentially like 392. That's where we're getting a lot of struggle. Boom. 392. Let me make this a daily level. Boom. Now, you can see a nice push. If we do get a push above 392 and we hold that 392 area, I wouldn't be surprised if we got new highs. Don't forget the script flips very quickly in the market, because when it comes down to emotions, people feel something today, they might feel something else another day. All right, so what's happening here? This is exactly what I'm expecting with Tesla. So we had a little bit of a symmetrical triangle, key area 885, couldn't really break below. It was holding above 830, and once we got that break below 830, we really started to see the stock flush, right? We also had another key area, right, of 700, key area of 700, which is a weekly level, guys. This is an important level to understand. That's why when it came down to this area, you guys see a lot of choppiness, right? It's just because there's a war going on here, give or take, and we're just waiting on one side to take control. Obviously, we had the sellers being very aggressive. The overall market was fearful in the past week. So now that we have an understanding of what's going on with SPY, right? SPY is likely to start pushing up, right? Also, on this candle right here, we already see that same story kind of playing out. So what I'm expecting is sellers get really aggressive right around the trend line. So you could kind of paint the picture. If we hold 606, 600s and start pushing up, we could see a push back up towards the trend line, towards 660, towards 650. That's a big possibility if the overall market starts being bullish again. So that's what's going on with Tesla, and that's what really I'm anticipating and waiting to see Monday morning. Now, same thing, you're gonna see this for a majority of the stocks. So, like last week was a great time to start buying in an equity for your long-term portfolio. Um, Amazon, not really liking anything going on until we do get a break of 2,900. If we do get a break of 2,900, I'm anticipating the 270.50 quickly to happen very quick. But the overall market has to be very, very weak because this 2,900 area is very strong on Amazon. ZM. So ZM, I just have a clear chart. We had a nice run right now. Now is just channeling. So as you guys know with this pattern, what happens is usually we have a pull, we flag, right? We'll keep flagging until we get a breakout and we continue that run. So right now, if you do want to play the range, I mean, you buy here, you sell here. It's a very simple one. This is more of a swing trade, right? Um, but no really high probability play until we do get a breakout above these trends that's happening right here. That's why on my admin setups, I only have or listed a few stocks that I'm kind of like paying attention to, such as Tesla, SPY, Roku, Neo, Apple, and AMD. What else we have going on here is Roku. Okay, so Roku is also looking very bullish. Yeah, this key area of 320. I'm going to be paying attention to, and this rejection of 388. But if the markets really starts rallying, there's going to be a lot of conviction with Roku, and I'll be scalping the upside towards 388. Now, something that you guys need to know, I'm not going to go against the trend just yet. If all the market's going down, I'm going to be cautious with my money. So the highest probability plays happening this week, right, would be likely the put plays, right? Until we start pushing for all-time high breaks, that's when I would be there for day trades and things like that. But right now, I'm just focusing on scalping towards the upside and really hitting it hard when it goes down towards the downside. All right, what else we got going on here? So that's Roku. This is what I'm paying attention to, the 320 area and the 388 Neo. Also, Neo, this is a banger one. This is one I'm really gonna look out for this week and try to capitalize on it. So what's happening here is in this area of 338 and 41, right? Is where there's a lot of buyers here, right? We have a lot of buyers in this area. And what happened here is Neo flushed all the way down to almost nearly 30. But at the end of the day, we closed at above 38, which is very important. So this is signaling a reversal, right? So what I'm going to be paying attention to is 41 for that break, and I'll be paying attention for it to continue that range till 54. If you guys realize, we have that range going on between 41 and 54. Sometimes we get weak, sometimes we get stronger. So pay attention to that. This is a really good high probability play that I'm paying attention to for the upcoming week. Let's go. All right. Now, this is something I also like. All my plays I'm finding on the daily time frames. I like focusing on those high probability plays. We're holding up an uptrend right now, right? Well, it held the uptrend, and obviously overall market got weak, and this dump happened on Apple. Now, when this happened, um, on the way back up, buyers weren't really convicted enough, right? There wasn't enough conviction. So price action kind of looked weak to the upside when it tried to push back up. So what I could see right now is more downside for Apple. So if the overall market starts being weak again, Apple's my go-to play. Definitely, I'm going to play this. So we recently made a low of 117.5, and we also have this H pattern going on. So I'll be paying attention to that downside and intraday trading only. I'm not going to be really swinging it. Um, the swing should have happened as soon as it broke out of 135. But now I'll be focusing on day trades, and as soon as I see signs of a reversal or consolidation, I'm likely to get out. What else we got going on? Nvidia seems like it could continue dumping. We had this symmetrical triangle try to break out. Market got really weak, started breaking down. Obviously, key level is 500. If we hold that 500, likely to start pushing up, but this is not my favorite play. But some people just strictly trade Nvidia or certain stocks. This is why I'm giving it out for them. Facebook. This stock is not going to be in play until next earnings. Next earnings, we'll see something happen. Plug. Not really interested, not liking the price action. Netflix is still in this range, right? This is another one of those stocks where it's a range. You sell here, you buy back here, and vice versa. And that's how you keep making money. If you want to do this, you could also do a straddle on Netflix, where you're selling a straddle, right? and you collect the premium on both sides. As long as it stays in this range, you're collecting the premium. What else we got going on? AMD. AMD. Okay. AMD below 30, 78, 74. For a put play, this is a nice put play. Got a little gap too. This will be a nice put play. If not, I'll be paying attention for the break of 80 to play towards the upside. Obviously, same thing that happened with Neo. Stuck in this range, so I'll be playing the range. Kind of tough, kind of tough market. Also, you gotta have some diamond hands for this, but as long as you're confident in your levels, confident in yourself, you'll do just fine. CGC, not liking. CRM, not too much. Piton, nothing. Snapchat. No, there's better plays out there. SQ, nothing. CCL is another one that you could play towards the upside. I just recommend getting a few shares, not even options, and holding. Broke out of this triangle over here, flagged for a little bit and started pushing up. We're also starting to get some really good volume on this. So I think the stock could really start pushing up. Disney, not my favorite right now. PLTR, BA. BA, wow, great looking chart. Okay, BA above 235. I like this a lot. So what's going on here? Okay, boom. Not the best trend. Damn. Okay, I'm trying to. Look, guys. I swear, I'm trying to fit this, but it's not allowing me. All right. I guess I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. But right now, it's creating a wedge. Uh, Obviously, a lot of sellers happening around 233.5. So that's the level that we're watching for a breakout above. Well, I really like this chart. Okay. What else? Spice. Not even gonna talk about it. Right. Not even gonna talk about it. Baidu. Not even gonna talk about it. FedEx. Nope. Nike. Nope. Nope. Airbnb. Nope. Guys, trust me, I'm just trying to pick the best probability trades out here. Blah 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 blah. Nah, nothing. So that's just my upcoming week game plan. That's how it's just my perspective on the market. Everybody has their own perspective. Uh if anything, please focus on the bigger time frames. Oh man, I really gotta sneeze. Wow, it's not coming. Just focus on the bigger time frames, and yeah, you guys should be good. Have a solid game plan, have a solid stop loss. Good luck, everybody, for the upcoming week, and yeah, peace out.